Hello Jim, Tech Buzz, new video, and we've got the new Zhiyun Smooth 5 combo pack in for review, which comes presented like this, and very nice presentation. And of course, you've got your app and Android and iOS and all these little bits inside. Been using the Q3 for the last couple of months, which has been very good. Do check the review out up on site. So I'm just going to unbox this, show you what's in it, and then you can ask any questions in the meantime while we check it out. So let's get straight in, and no hanging around whatsoever. And we have one sticker to get rid of to let us in. So that's the front package there. So you get it all really in this pack here, which is really cool. Nice pattern there. You've got a pocket there, zipper here, the Zhiyun branding there, rubber logo, and you've got the branding on the zips as well, or some kind of red thread, and a handle up on top to carry it like so. And you have got your booklets, all that bits and pieces there. Right, so let's open it up and see what it's all about. It's great to see that it comes in a case like this, which is pretty cool. So there you have it there, really cool. So you have your base here, you have the unit here, which is all held in with Velcro straps, which is cool, and that's it there. So you've got a lanyard there, you put your base on here on the bottom, lock it in. So you've got a lock switch here. You've also got a focus and zoom button here on the side, and you've got your stand up here where you put your device, which has got rubber inside and out there, which is nice. You've got another lock here as well to loosen this piece here, and that's what it looks like there as well. So you can see it's pretty compact enough, and you've got some buttons here on the side, and you've 5 smooth Zhiyun written on the side there, charging port in there, and up in front you've got your full menu here to mess around with, your full controls. So you've got your mode, your power, navi key, your ISO, all that kind of stuff in here, and seems to be a torch function on that there, and of course your menu button here. So there seems to be a lot going on. And just compare it to the previous one, you can see there's not much of that there. You have some buttons on the side and this, and your charging port there. There's a bit of a difference between the two, so that's just for those who want to see. So just up close, I'll give you a look at that there. Looks really nice. That's pretty much what it looks like. So we're gonna have to charge her up and get it going, and then show you what it looks like and how it functions, of course, as always. And we'll get some footage from a phone in the device as well to see how good the stabilization is. But from using this one, the stabilization is unbelievable. So I'm looking forward to checking this out. So let's see what else we get inside. So you're going to get your Zhiyun Prime card. You've got your cable, USB-C to USB-A. And you've also got in here, if we can get in, the usual stuff there. And in here is your lanyard strap here, and has got Zhiyun marked on it as well. So that seems to be pretty much it. And we're just checking here in the back just to make sure there's nothing hiding on us. It doesn't seem to be happening there or there. And that's really what you're going to get in the package, which is interesting. So that's pretty much a quick first look at the new Zhiyun gimbal, which is pretty nice. They've launched a few, and you can check them out, so I will actually drop a link below in the description box so you can see what they have on offer. But that's what's here in the hand at the moment. So I'm going to get testing, let you know what it's like then later on. And any questions, you know what to do. Hit us up below in the comments. This is all going to turn here as well. And that's pretty much it there. So it looks pretty solid as well. And it seems to be a little bit, no, it's probably a little bit taller, yeah, than the Q3 that we just checked out recently. So that'll give you some idea of the sizes there together side by side. And that's pretty much it for the moment. So just make sure there's nothing else deep down in these pockets. Aha, there is. I was kind of wondering where that was. So we have got in here, if we can just get off that. Different, yeah, this is the flash and the light. And these look like different colours, so you can stick on a magnet at the end to give different effects. So you've got these 4 colours here. So that's it for the moment. Stay tuned anyway for the full review. And as mentioned, any questions, feel free to ask. We'll gladly answer you. We'll talk to you soon in the next video.